So here's what's been happening in my life. Good morning, guys. Welcome to my vlog. If you're new here, hi, my name is Onyii. I hope you like it here. I don't know if I told you guys, but we are currently in Enugu State. Yeah, we came to Enugu like 1 week ago. We've been in Enugu for the past 1 week, but the last few days I've just been at home. So today we are at Unec. We came into Unec to do some stuff, and I'm waiting for my husband to finish doing what we came to do. After that, we will go for I want to eat Abacha. We'll be going to somewhere we can eat Abacha. I hope that will be out by now though, because I think it's like it's still 2. It's currently 1:40 p.m. Wow. I was thinking that it's still like around 11 a.m. I didn't know that we wasted so much time where we went to previously. Wow, oh my god. Anyway, once it's done with what it's doing, we'll go to one. If we want to go to that place at one to see if they are like if the abacha is ready. If the abacha is ready, we'll eat abacha. But right now I'm currently inside Unec and it's bringing back so much memories. Like I was seeing people on white and black. I remember when I was still wearing white and black with my friends, we were always going to lectures, going back to the hostel, or like in fact we were always somewhere around the campus. So now looking at all these people and I'm like, we've been there, okay? So but I'm seeing some people wearing white and ash. And I'm wondering like which department started that. Because I know law students wear white and black. Business admin faculty they wear sky blue and whatever they want to wear under. But these ones that are wearing white and ash, I don't really know the department. But anyway, I just love looking at them. I've been here for like 5 minutes. I've just been looking at different groups of friends, roaming up and down the campus, and it's just so funny. So here's what's been happening in my life. All through September we were traveling. We traveled to Asaba where we did our family holidays, and then I celebrated my birthday. The vlog is on my channel, and then we came back home and we traveled again. We traveled to Enugu where we spent at least 2 weeks. in Enugu. We just came back yesterday. Today we came back last night. The road was terrible, so we came back last night and everybody was so tired. We just dropped everything in one corner and everybody went to bed. So right now I'm about to start putting everything away, like to put things where they're supposed to be. I also have some food stuff that I need to put in their different containers. Also, I need to cook. There's no food in this house. Like, the only edible in this house right now is the bread we bought from ShopRite and the biscuits. So I need to cook, and then I need to, arrange and put them away where they're supposed to be. So
don't feel anger, don't feel. If there's an answer, it can't wait till another day. Don't regret making mistakes. There's no need, it's just the game. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road, stop driving myself insane. End of the day, you got me in to go dreaming. You got me in to go dreaming. You got me in to go dreaming. It's just a feeling and I'm letting go. You got me in to go dreaming. You got me in to go dreaming. You got me in to go dreaming. It's just this feeling and I'm letting go. Breathe out, doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road, stop driving myself insane. End of the day, at the end of the day. Anxious, don't feel shame. If there's a question, it can't wait another day. Don't feel like it's all in vain. I try to remember, it ain't a race. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road, stop driving myself insane. The end of the day.